Welcome, friends and traders. Today we are just discussing the phenomena of vibration. The vibrations started from electrons and atoms. Story has been told for ages through different allegories. Adam and Eve. Adam is atom, Eve is electron, bounded in the cosmic dance, contango till eternity. So it is all about the vibrations which binds things together. There is no vacuum. There is plasma. You can think about electricity and magnetism, which is transferring the information through galaxies and space. There is no vacuum in space. There is energy in space. There's more energy in space than you can produce through nuclear fission. There's more energy around you. And it's all free, and we can harness that energy through the laws of magnetic and electric interactions. We fight with gravity to release gravity choking us as we leave Earth by using Newton laws of action is equal to minus reaction. When body is sick, we inject more sickness into it through chemicals. In the higher conscious, subconscious states, everything is in harmony and in vibration. These higher conscious states are rotational in a donut fashion. Energy is rotating, numbers are rotating, mathematics is rotating, humans, which are chemical and biological mathematics, are rotating. The stones and hard density objects are in vibration state. You can't see it. Everything is bounded by the story of Adam and Eve, which is atom and electrons, the dance of atoms and electrons and the vibrations. The whole universe is just nothing more than complex structures of geometry shaking hands, exchanging information. So as far as trading is concerned, this is the day of NQ, 10 minutes chart, or it could be ES and 10 minutes chart. This is ES 10 minutes chart. We're looking at the physical manifestation expressed here. And how do we detect that? We have Gann swing of 4, you can put 5. And the new day has started. New day, new dawn, new energy. And then we are swinging. The first impulse is right here. We identify the impulses based on big bars. We identify the pivots to be good pivots by having encapsulated big bars around each pivot. So this pivot, there were a lot of big bars. This pivot, a lot of big bars. Encapsulation happened between these two pivots because there's a sequence of big bars and they are of the same color. All of them started from here to here, all same color and bunch of big bars. This is a 10-minute chart of ES. So we have found a right impulse for placing the measurement of vibration. So we're gonna go into level 4. Level 4 is just extreme automation, just takes it to the level you cannot imagine in terms of vibration. For now, we're gonna just show you this Tesla square vibrations, and all the things you have seen, they will be the things are just going to be auto placed. Auto detection are being built big time, as you can. But for now, you understand the basics of laws of cosmic existence. Tesla square vibration. We have qualified it. We are expecting that if I place it here, I will see some measurement. I'm placing this here, placing this here. I'm creating a structure which has a potential to understand the upcoming volatility and the endpoints of the market. And what we see here, we are seduced by a bigger square, which is the boundary condition box. This right here and right here. Market has introduced itself and expressed its intention to kiss and reflect from these levels, 100 points to the tick on both sides on a 10-minute chart, my friends. There is science behind science. The true science, once built, never changes. I would say true indicators, right? True indicators. There are too many indicators, but they are true indicators based on true science and true research and true existence, which has existed for decades. All these tools have been produced and they are in the market for more than 15 years, 10 years minimum. They have stood the test of time and test of volatility. But this approach to enabling the understanding has one thing which is very critical. The volatility enabled self-healing, volatility interacting tools. As these ranges expand with the logic of what is the 369 pivot, what is the 369 swing, this is it. As these swings expand, when market goes to 12,000 level in 10 years, right? Who knows? You will have the same phenomena, same principles, wider ranges. The tools will adopt to the new reality of volatility. So my friends and traders, I hope this made a little sense that irrespective of the world events, there is a true event unfolding every day. I think we should wrap it up on this. Just wanted to describe this because people were a little bit. Your portfolio, if you're managing a very large portfolio, you should be up around 20% this year so far. Professionals are, if you know what you're doing, right? So 20 to 50% a year. The best hedge funds do 30% a year. Large money is not the same as managing small money because we have to hedge, we have to control the risk management, we have to make sure we know what we are able to interact with the high volume objects, right? we have to keep our delta neutrals at time, and then we take the bias based on the cycles, and we do break that and do ratio trading. We do high volatility, we become a seller. Low volatility, become a hedger. Right? There are tactical ways of doing professional trading. But it starts with any kind of professional trading. You want to be a flat futures trader, forex trader, options trader, stock trader. One thing is common in all phenomena, and that is having right cosmic tools. And 369 Forecasts is the only one-stop solution which offers this. Unfortunately, we have seen it all. Thank you so much.